Hello! Today I'm gonna be making something from the Czech cuisine. I'm gonna be making breaded fried meat. In my case, I'm gonna be using the chicken breasts with potato salad and a cucumber salad. It is a meal on the heavier side, so you would only make it on the special occasions like birthdays or Christmas. But it's definitely very typical of Czech cuisine, meat and potatoes. I added the cucumber salad to make it a little lighter. I hope you like this. Chives are a member of the onion family without the typical onion bulb. They go well with salads, potatoes, or fish. They are full of vitamins and minerals, and they are known to promote good digestion. And that's the end of today's video. I hope you enjoy this recipe. Give me a thumbs up if you like this, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you next time.